Hi guys, I'm Bindeshwar from Post Network, and in this lecture I will explain about sectioning in a LaTeX document. I have opened Text Studio and you can see menus. Click on wizards. After that click on quick start. You can see the options. In previous lecture I explained about options, so in this lecture I will not explain. Author name is already written. Title I will give sectioning in LaTeX. Click on OK. You can see basic code is generated. To see author name and title, you have to use make title command. You can see. So now let us start. Writing section in a LaTeX document. So use wizard, use options as much as possible. So here you can see that in LaTeX option, sectioning option. In LaTeX menu, sectioning option. You can see part, chapter, section, subsection, subsection, paragraph, subparagraph, and also part, chapter, section, subsection, subsection, paragraph, subparagraph with star. I will explain meaning of section and other options with star also. So let us start write a section. Go on LaTeX menu, sectioning, click on section. Here section command is written. Write something between curly braces. I will write my section. Run it. Now you can see my section. Here you can write your text. Run it. You can write any number of lines below my section. So this is section number 1. In LaTeX you don't need to number a section. LaTeX will automatically number the section with according to their positions. For example, if you write second section or copy the same. You can see this is on second position. Now let us write subsection. Go on LaTeX menu, go to sectioning, subsection. You can see here, write my subsection. Run it. You can see 2.1. If you put this subsection here, then it would be 1.1. Run it. You can see Again copy all. So this will be first section, this will be second, third and fourth. You don't need to number. Again subsection is also an option in LaTeX, so use this one. Go on LaTeX menu, sectioning, subsection. I clicked on subsection. You can add yourself subsection. So I will give it my sub I have given name my subsection. So you can see output 4.1.1. this means in fourth section and in 4.1 section there is a subsection. If you click here, you can see the output would be 4.1.2. you can see here. If you click, if you copy and paste below second, you see 2.00 because there is no subsection. Section number 2 without subsection, first subsection. And you can write many lines. This is not restrictions that you can write only one line. So keep in mind, if you want to write many number of line, copy it. You can see, you can write any number of lines as you require. If you click on here, your PDF will be generated. Now I will explain about star with section. If you put star here, so LaTeX will not number it. You can see here. Then this one will be first section, this one will be second, this one will be third. There is no section, so this will become 0.1 subsection. So star is used to make section without number. In this lecture you have learned about sectioning. Hope you enjoyed it.